Bro, this is what we got going on today, man. I think, honestly, man, I don't know if y'all heard that. This man come through with this loud scat in my neighborhood. HOA about to send that letter. HOA about to send a letter. That's ridiculous. God. HOA about to send that letter. Y'all heard that thing downshifting. That's how we're gonna kick off the video, man. So we'll go ahead and drop the intro, all that, and show you what we got going on today. Y'all see what we got going on here today. So, I see the title, see the thumbnail. So we're gonna go ahead and get up off these matte black brake calipers here. So we're gonna get them things looking real nice. So you see we had to go ahead and get it on the blocks. I mean, I got my jack, it'll work up under there, but sometimes it's a little difficult. So we're out here lifting up a little bit, got up off the ground a little bit, so we're going to get these things painted up, show y'all the process and all that stuff along the way. But really, I just got to go ahead and tap in with him and get it done. I'm going to show you when we get done, I'm saying like I'm doing something. When he get done, you're going to see how much he's going to pop. So we're getting the car covered up for his paint. Man, y'all don't realize how big these brakes are until you take the tires off. Like, hold on, I don't think I can tell, but things are huge. You can see why these things cost a couple $1,000s to replace and whatnot. You see where you're at with the prep work on that. All sanded down, masked off or whatnot, compared to how it would look before you do all the prep work here. Just that, pretty much that matte black or whatever color it is. You got the brake dust all over them and whatnot, but get some progress on it. This part right here takes the longest to get it all sanded down and ready to paint there. So I'm over here trying to look at my pad. I think it might be time. It might be time for me to get rid of these brake dust machines right here. We'll get them power stops on there. I'll try to wait on there till these wear out, but I think it's about that time. Might be seeing a video of me changing these out. What y'all think? Y'all think I got some time on that? I don't know. I think it's time for these. So we started with the painting now. Just got the first coat on there. Gonna do like primer on it first before start throwing the other colors on there. Color, I should say. So yeah, I usually do a lot of stuff to my car, but yeah, I don't think I could probably get it this clean. So definitely get somebody to know what they doing. Like I said, I'm putting information out on the video, so make sure y'all in the area, make sure y'all tap in with them, get y'all done as well. So you see now we got the primer all on everything. All ready to go now. It's laying down some color on it now. First coat on me, you can see red on there. Alright, so now we got the finished product. You see that? Put the SRT on there. No, I don't think it's an SRT, but that's what already was on it when the car came on there. But that's not just black though. Let me show y'all something real quick if y'all can see it. So what we end up doing is, not sure y'all can pick it up on the camera, but this actually is gonna be reflective. That part right there, might be able to see it a little bit there. So this part is reflective, so at night that part's gonna pop out a little bit more, but that is clean. See how that looks? That's clean right there. That's definitely gonna pop really well with the black wheels and all that. Violation here. And kind of want to give you an overview of the process of what we had to do, or what he had to do really. So pretty much this whole process of getting these things painted, most of the time was really spent on the prep work. It took a long time to prep it, as far as getting the old material sanded off of it and all that. When it came to painting didn't take too long to paint it. Did a few coats of it to make sure it dried and whatnot, but you can kind of see how it all looks here up close. We'll get y'all how it looks here. So pretty much just went with a tour red color, nothing too crazy, and we did the decals. Actually, we did decals in black here, but this is not just regular black. This is actually reflective black, and when he clear coated everything, he actually clear coated over that, so it keeps the gloss to it. I'm not sure you can see it, but in the daytime it's gonna look black for the decals, but if you get the right angle, what they're trying to do here, I'm not sure if we could pick up on camera or not, it'll look kind of white. So I'm real happy with how this turned out, man. I mean, with the brakes being black, it kind of just blended in with everything, because you got black tires, black wheels, and it's just black in there. But the red really makes it pops out. He did crazy good work here. It really looks factory and all that. We have the SRT back on there. And like I said, I'm not saying this is an SRT. I'm just saying the SRT was already on the brakes before we painted it. But he just added the decals on there, and they are reflective. So at night, that's going to pop out a little bit more. Just really subtle here. And then it's gonna, you gotta get the right angle for it, but I really love the red here. I did consider some other colors before going red. I was looking at, I don't know if you can see it, reflective there a little bit. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. Let me see if I can see it right there. I'll be able to see it a little bit. I was thinking about yellow, but then the only thing was I didn't have enough yellow in the car to justify going yellow, and I wasn't planning on going with a red and yellow car. So that's why I didn't go with yellow or any other crazy color like that. I just want to keep it simple, go with red, and make it pop. I mean, if you think about yellow, I mean, you do got a little bit of the yellow in the B and things like that. But ultimately, I mean, it wasn't enough yellow for me to paint the whole brake calipers in yellow like that, because like I said, most of the car is pretty much red and gloss black, and I kind of just want to keep that thing going on. I gloss black diffuser, gloss black front splitter, wheels are black and stuff like that. I mean, it just makes sense to go with just kind of red and black there. Just want to keep it simple. Another question is, why did I go with the reflective on the SRT? I just want to do something to make it pop just a little bit, something a little bit slightly different here. I actually at first considered doing the whole calipers in reflective wrap or something like that, but honestly the whole wrap process for the calipers wasn't gonna really be worth it, and several shops told me that, well, not several, one shop really told me like it'll look good at first and then it won't look good. So I kind of believe them, because I mean, when you're wrapping calipers, I mean, look, there's not an actual flat surface there. I mean, it can be done, but the amount you're going to spend to get it done might not have been worth it, right? I didn't want to take the chance to get it wrapped and not come out how I wanted it. So paint safe option, that's what everybody does. Let's not go too crazy or anything like that. So that is how this came about. Now, of course, you do have the option to have these painted from factory. With the Scatpacks, I think the only color you can get is red on those. But of course, if you go with a jailbreak or something like that, then you have a wide variety of colors you can go with. But I just want to do aftermarket because of the fact that I can kind of pick what I want to do. Granted, yes, I did go with red, which is pretty much the factory color, but I mean, I can do a little bit different. I just love the finish on that, man. That is just super clean. I wish I could see the reflective part on here. It's kind of hard in the daylight, I know, but love the look on it, man. It really pops. Stepping back here, you can just see those brakes just shining through there. Overall, I'm really happy with it. I know I do a lot of stuff with my car myself, but at some point, some things I don't feel like I'm the best to do it. I mean, could I paint my brakes? Yeah, I think I could have easily painted them, but I don't think I had the patience for the prep work. Really, all the time was really spent doing the prep work, just mainly getting the car covered up, getting everything taped off, getting everything sanded down, so that when we go to paint it, you have the best surface to work off of and all that type of stuff. So I don't think I had the patience to do it right and do it justice. And if you don't have patience to do it right, then it's not gonna come out that clean. So if you are in the North Carolina area, man, or somewhere around the area, close enough to Charlotte area, man, that's the guy you need to go to here. I got his information in the video here. I put it on the screen here, so make sure you guys do that and get with him. I've had other people drive in to get it done. He's done a lot of these in the city. He's really the go-to person when it comes to getting this done. And the crazy thing here, I said that I wish I could give y'all a shot at night. Like, I don't have a garage, I could turn the light off. So what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna be in the garage really quick. I'm gonna turn the light off and let y'all see kind of how this reflective stuff looks. All right, so we got the light somewhat off. Got it kind of dim in here, so we're gonna show you how this will look. So you see right now, I don't have any light on it. You see right here, no light, but if I get a little bit of light on there, you see that black decal starts gonna turn right here. So we can get it right, gotta get the right angle here. Right there, you see it right there, it starts glowing. See right there, you see it's glowing. See black, go about right here, white, there we go. See, it looks white now. So I can step back and kind of see it. There we go. That's how it looks right there. So you can see from back here, with the light on it just right, you can see it pop out. So I can get the back to show. Maybe the smoke might be in the way, but we're gonna do it back here. You kind of see it poking out right there. You can see it right there. See it right there? Got SRT on the back, glowing. Dope, man. I like that. Like, just a little small detail, man. You see it right there. Exactly how you want it to look right there. And that's gonna wrap up today's video, man. If y'all got any questions about the process or anything, go ahead, just drop a comment down below, or better yet, man, let's go ahead and book with my guy. I got his information all in the video, so make sure y'all book with him and he will get you right with the brake calipers and all that. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of car related things on this channel. We will catch you on the next video. We're out. Cut it.